This is the second stage of the weaving, and I know we've had a lot of steps, but these are all wonderful skills that we're learning in one lesson. And the weaving, you can see, and you guys have done great with the weaving, where you weave one big strip and then you have a little one that comes through. Now we're talking about the black silhouette that goes around and borders it. What I was trying to figure out is where you wouldn't mess up your picture. I've got these all cut for all the third graders, so your thing's ready to go. And see how I have both of them open, okay, like hot dogs? And I've made a spider. So before I get to this, this is your template, okay? So you would cut this out. You would draw all the way, you could draw all the way to the edge because, see, you still have that border, and that you won't be able to glue it, okay? So you have to, you could draw a beautiful picture, though, and you could cut and not look so good, so you want to make sure. I want to show you on the head. I drew the head a couple different times, light till you get it right. You know, this is your template, so make sure that you like it before you cut it. But some of the stages that I want you to think about, and we've talked about line of symmetry, you're only having to draw half of one of these. And if you don't want to do one of these, you can do another one, that's fine. These are just some samples that I gave you. You're always looking as an artist about the shapes. And I showed you how to do the ghost earlier, one of the classes. This is the hat. See how that's just a triangle? And then it's a rectangle, okay, with a curve on it, and another square. So these are just basic ones that I drew. Here's the owl. We have a circle, a triangle on top of that, a circle eye, triangle nose. And I know I make it look easy, but you're going to practice this first. You can sketch it. Another thing that I wanted to show you is if you're still having a hard time, I have, these are transparencies, and you can use one of our dry erase markers because, see, it'll come right off, okay? And you can just practice over and over. I was just getting a clipboard, getting one of these pieces of graph paper, and see how we have that line? So that's going to be the line of symmetry. And I didn't grab a marker before I came over here, sorry. But here's my ghost. And so you're going to practice this first, and see how we just have curvy, wavy lines. It comes down, and then it goes back up. Curvy, wavy lines. And like I said, it's just a simple design. If you were to do a house, which I wish I would have had my marker over here, then it is just a curved line that comes down here, straight down that way. You would have a rectangle for a door, a square, okay, and that's all you would have to do. And then, if you want to keep practicing, you just erase it and start again, okay? So this is a great way to practice. You could also trace it. You put that underneath there, it's still kind of hard to see. But then you're going to go to your manila. You're going to fold it. This is this cheaper paper, but it's great for using for making a stencil. So then I would fold it, just like we did. We've done other stuff before, like a hot dog, and then it would set inside, and after this is cut, and I don't have any scissors, after this is cut, then this is your template. So if I was to cut this out, then I would end up kind of like with my cat that I did on another video that I showed you. So then you could take this vanilla paper, have it cut, set it on top of your black, and trace it, okay? And that way we know that it will fit. And then, once again, the final stage, and this is what makes this weaving a little special. So then it's not just your basic plain weaving. Okay, so you've already done this stage, you've done the extra strip, then you would cut out, you would have your framed silhouette, okay, put that on, and then you would add your features. So, can't wait to see what you choose. And like I said, you can use one of these as a guide if you want to. Different places, different ways that you can sketch, so hopefully they turn out well.